Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of fitness equipment to help you make the best choices for your home gym. Today, we're comparing two popular treadmills, the UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill and the Rhythm Fun Foldable Treadmill. Our comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons, so let's get started. When it comes to price, both the UMAY Fitness Folding Treadmill and the Rhythm Fun Foldable Treadmill are neck and neck, each with a tag of $369. This makes choosing between them a matter of preference rather than budget. The UMAY Fitness Treadmill features a quiet brushless motor with a top speed of 8.7 mph, making it ideal for those who prefer a silent workout session. Meanwhile, the Rhythm Fun Treadmill, with its 2.5 horsepower motor reaching speeds up to 6.7 miles per hour, offers a robust workout experience. UMAY Fitness Treadmill boasts pulse sensors and an incline option, enhancing the workout experience by simulating uphill running. Rhythm Fun, on the other hand, offers a wide running belt and an app for tracking progress and competing with past performances, making it appealing for tech-savvy users. For convenience, the UMAY treadmill features a smooth hydraulic folding system, making storage a breeze. Rhythm Fun excels with its ready-to-use, fully assembled delivery, saving you the hassle of assembly. When it comes to customer service and warranty, UMAY offers a 5-year frame warranty and a dedicated support team, ensuring peace of mind for users. Rhythm Fun is noted for its satisfactory service, though some users may find the term satisfactory to be subjective. Reviewers highlight the compact and foldable design of the UMAY treadmill, praising its easy setup, powerful performance, and quiet operation. The Rhythm Fun treadmill receives accolades for its smooth operation, convenient app integration, and easy storage, though some users reported issues with size and assembly. That wraps up our comparison of the UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill and the Rhythm Fun Foldable Treadmill. Whether you're looking for silent operation, tech integration, or convenience in assembly and storage, both treadmills offer unique benefits. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below about which product you prefer and why. Check the description for product links. Thanks for watching.